Here are 63 interesting facts about ants. 1. Ants belong to the family Formicidae, which is part of the order Hymenoptera, along with bees and wasps. 2. There are over 12,000 known species of ants worldwide. 3. Ants can be found on every continent except Antarctica. 4. The total biomass of all ants on Earth is estimated to be roughly equal to the total biomass of all humans. 5. Ants have been around for over 100 million years, making them one of the oldest insect species on Earth. 6. Ants are eusocial insects, which means they live in highly organized colonies with a division of labor among individuals. 7. The queen ant's primary job is to lay eggs, while worker ants perform various tasks like foraging, caring for the young, and defending the colony. 8. Ants are incredibly strong relative to their size. Some species can carry objects up to 50 times their body weight. 9. The largest ant species, the bullet ant, Paraponera clavata, has a sting that's said to be the most painful of any insect sting, earning it the nickname 24-hour ant, due to the pain lasting for up to 24 hours. 10. The smallest ants are less than 1 millimeter in length. 11. Ants are highly adaptable and can thrive in a wide range of environments, from deserts to rainforests. 12. Ants have 2 stomachs, one for their own nourishment and another for sharing food with other ants in the colony. 13. The average lifespan of a worker ant varies depending on the species but is generally a few months to a few years. 14. Some ant colonies can have millions of individuals. 15. Ants are known for their elaborate tunnel systems, which can extend deep underground. 16. Ants are excellent builders and can construct complex nests made of soil, leaves, and other materials. 17. Ants are omnivores and will eat a wide variety of foods, including insects, nectar, fruit, and even dead animals. 18. Many ant species have a mutualistic relationship with aphids, protecting them in exchange for the sweet honeydew they excrete. 19. Ants have specialized workers known as nuptial ants that are responsible for mating flights. 20. After mating, the male ant dies, and the newly fertilized queen starts her own colony. 21. Some ant species engage in slavery, raiding the colonies of other ants to steal their pupae and raise them as workers in their own colonies. 22. Ants have evolved various means of defense, including biting, stinging, and spraying formic acid. 23. The leafcutter ant is known for its ability to cut and transport large pieces of leaves back to its colony, where the leaves are used to cultivate fungus for food. 24. Army ants are nomadic and constantly on the move, hunting in large groups and building temporary nests each night. 25. The bulldog ant, found in Australia, has the largest eyes of any ant species and excellent vision. 26. Some ants have developed specialized adaptations for living in extreme environments, such as salt flats or hot deserts. 27. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystems by aerating soil, dispersing seeds, and controlling insect populations. 28. Ants are considered a keystone species because of their significant impact on their ecosystems. 29. The behavior of ants is guided by pheromones, chemical signals that they use to communicate with each other. 30. Ants can navigate using visual cues, the position of the sun, and an internal, mental map. 31. Ants are known for their ability to work collectively to solve complex problems, a behavior known as swarm intelligence. 32. Some ant species have evolved the ability to explode when threatened, releasing a sticky substance to trap predators. 33. The Argentine ant is an invasive species that has spread to many parts of the world, outcompeting native ants and disrupting ecosystems. 34. Ants have been used in scientific studies to understand traffic flow, resource allocation, and problem solving. 35. Ants have been the subject of numerous myths, fables, and cultural references throughout history. 36. In some cultures, ants are considered symbols of hard work and diligence. 37. The word ant comes from the Old English word aimet. 38. Ants are sometimes used as a food source in certain cuisines, particularly in parts of Africa and Asia. 39. Ant farms, or formicariums, are popular educational tools that allow people to observe ant behavior in captivity. 40. Ants have a wide range of colors and patterns, depending on the species. 41. The Sahara Desert ant, Cataglyphus bicolor, has adapted to extreme heat by regulating its body temperature and navigating using the sun's position. 42. Some ants have developed symbiotic relationships with other organisms, such as fungi and bacteria, to aid in digestion or provide protection. 43. Ants have been sent into space on scientific missions to study their behavior in microgravity. 44. Ants can detect earthquakes and other seismic activity before humans can, potentially providing early warning signs. 45. The association between ants and acacia trees is an example of mutualism, where the ants protect the tree from herbivores in exchange for shelter and food. 46. The Sahara Desert ant is known for its extraordinary navigation skills, covering vast distances to find food and return to its nest. 47. The weaver ant creates nests by pulling leaves together and using silk produced by their larvae to bind them. 48. Some ants have a transparent abdomen, allowing scientists to observe their internal organs. 49. Ants can secrete pheromones to lay down chemical trails that guide other ants to food sources. 50. The queen ant can live for many years, with some species having queens that live for over a decade. 51. Ants have been the subject of many scientific studies related to robotics and swarm robotics, inspiring the development of robot teams that can work together efficiently. 51. Ants have been the subject of many scientific studies related to robotics and swarm robotics, inspiring the development of robot teams that can work together efficiently. 52. Ants are capable of learning and adapting to changes in their environment. 53. The bullet ant's sting is rated as the most painful insect sting on the Schmidt Sting Pain Index. 54. The driver ant, found in Africa, forms enormous colonies with millions of individuals and is known for its mass migration and swarming behavior. 55. Some ants have a specialized caste of soldiers with large, powerful jaws for defense. 56. The wood ant can produce formic acid, which it uses for defense against predators. 57. Ants have a remarkable ability to recover from injuries, including regenerating lost limbs. 58. Ants can recognize individual members of their colony and will attack intruders from other colonies. 59. The army ant's hunting strategy involves raiding the nests of other insects and arthropods, capturing and carrying them back to their own nest to consume. 60. Ants are used in agriculture in some regions to help control pests and improve crop yields. 61. The Sahara Desert ant can tolerate temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and has adapted to cope with extreme heat. 62. Ants have been used as models for studying self-organization and emergent behavior in complex systems. 63. The bulldog ant's powerful jaws can be used for both defense and hunting.